Okay, so we can now start no for our module no for the big picture A, YULO A. So last week we have discussed the overview of economic development no and its introduction. I believe other topics diri sa big picture A kay na-discuss na last time no last week. We'll just run through na lang the big picture A so that tomorrow if human nagbuhat si sir sa big picture A, YULO B, then we can continue no our discussion for the big picture A, YULO A and B. So this is supposedly be discussed during week 1 and week 2. So the unique learning outcome of this specific unit is that at the end of this unit, I am expecting that you can now discuss no or understand the nature of economic development, identify the different measures of development in classifying economies, and differentiate theories of economic development. So as what I have said, no, we will be discussing different theories no, in development of which makita nato unsay gigikanan no sa development ug unsay iyahang mga improvements no. So now let's have the meta languages no for this unit. These are absolute poverty no. So when we talk about absolute poverty, this is a situation of being unable to meet the minimum levels of income, food, clothing, and healthcare, shelter, and other essentials. So kini mo na itong gustong iwalaon no nga basig magkaroon ta ng absolute poverty. Because in development, dapat equal magud ang distribution no. Kanang dili lang pasabot niya kung kinsa to ang nasa center no. Nasa metropolitan mo ra pud to ang dato no. Kay we can say nga kanang though increasing ang ato ang GDP, GNP and other mga economic factors pero if we look into the life of the people, particularly sa far-flung areas, basig naapay tao no kanang walay ginakaon, dili maka-access into healthcare, maginana. So at some point, dili ta makaingon gihapon nga we are already a developed country, no? Or we have achieved economic development. So second is capabilities. So the freedoms that people have given their personal features and their command over commodities. So kini this is this concept came from the concept of Amartya Sen no, which was discussed last time. Nga ingon si Amartya Sen that development she considers development as freedom no. So we can achieve development if naay freedom ang people no within that specific nation. Because if free ta mo lihok no, we are capable enough no, we have the capabilities to really do our kung unsa atong gusto buhaton. Then next is developing countries. So countries that are presently characterized by low levels of living and other development deficits used in the development literature as a synonym for less developed countries. So sa una, ang pagcategorize jud class no sa different nation, particularly sa ilahang development is less developed no kanang may nana. So at some point lain pa minawon no. So murag gilahi ang term na karon is developing countries no. Or sa una third world country no ang term sa atoa. Pero karon we use developing countries na no, ang term nga atong gamiton. So the Philippines is considered to be kanang included in this specific category no, developing country pa ang Philippines. Then development. So the process of improving the quality of all human lives and capabilities by raising people's level of living, self-esteem and freedom. So mo ni ang definition sa development. So when we talk about freedom also, this is a situation in which a society has its disposal a variety of alternatives from which to satisfy its wants and individuals enjoy real choices according to their preferences. So ang freedom pasabot diri dili tong freedom nga kanang murag gikulong ta no freedom to really do kung sa atong gusto buhaton no in life, and we have plenty of choices no, so at least makalihok ta. Ang functionings naman, what people do or can do with the commodities of given characteristics that they come to possess or control no. Then GDP, no, the total final output of goods and services produced by the country's economy within the country's territory by residents and non-residents regardless of its allocation between domestic and foreign claims. No? So as what I have said, para madali mahinumduman, ang gross domestic product, i-term na lang nato as gawa dito sa Pinas. No? So regardless of your citizenship, as long as ang final output is na-produced within the country's territory, then appeal siya sa computation sa gross domestic product. Gross national income naman, this is the total domestic and foreign output claimed by residents of a country. So it comprises gross domestic product plus factor incomes accruing to residents from abroad, less the income earned in the domestic economy accruing to persons abroad. No? So na-discuss na po din nato unsa ang GNI, no? Gross national income. So si GNI, GDP minus final output nga na-produce sa non-resident sa kaninga country plus final output nga na-produce sa residents nga naa sa laing nasod no. So that is gross national income. In layman's term or para masabtan jud pag mointag GNI, tanang income sa Pinoy no, regardless of asa ka. Walay labot tong dili Pinoy no nga mga final output. Then number 9, self-esteem. This is a feeling of worthiness that a society enjoys when its social, political, and economic systems and institutions promote human values such as respect, dignity, integrity, and self-determination. Social system naman, this is the organizational and institutional structure of a society, including its values, attitudes, power structure, and traditions. Subsistence economy, no, or terman niya, kalimot ko, later na lang. This is an economy in which production is mainly for personal consumption and the standard of living yields little more than basic necessities of life like food, shelter, and clothing. Next is sustenance. So the basic goods and services such as food, clothing, and shelter that are necessary to sustain an average human being at the bare minimum level of living. So those are mga meta languages nga atong ma-encounter for this unit. No? So now let's talk about economics, political economics, and development economics. So I believe na appeal na nitong last na itong discussion no, itong sa PowerPoint. So the study of economic development is one of the newest, most exciting, and most challenging branch of the broader disciplines of economics and political economy. So although economic development economics is often or economic development economics often draws on relevant principles and concepts from other branches of economics in either a standard or modified form, the most part it is a field of study that is rapidly evolving its own distinctive analytical and methodological identity. So there is a question here, no? But what makes development economics distinct to economics and political economics, no? So to answer this, the answer lies on the scope of each discipline. So daghang discipline, no? So see, traditional economics is concerned in primarily with the efficient least cost allocation of scarce productive resources and with the optimal growth of these resources over time so as to produce an ever-expanding range of goods and services. So kining sini traditional economics, as what I have said, this is just an economic system of which murag self-sustenance good kanang i-provide lang nato ang kung unsa ang panginahanglan sa tao, no? Then traditional neoclassical economics deals with an advanced capitalist world of perfect markets, consumer sovereignty, automatic price adjustments, decisions made on the basis of marginal private profit and utility calculations and equilibrium outcomes in all products and resource markets. So it assumes economic rationality and a purely materialistic, individualistic, self-interested orientation toward economic decision making. So, ang concept lang sa traditional economics is that we do this, no? We have this for a living for us to really provide, no, para sa atong kaugalingon. And as time goes by, murag na improve, no, ang traditional economics sa una, no, katong sa una nga mga era, usually ang isa ka family is magugmad sa ilahang farm kay para sa ilahan lang pod, no. So later on naka-realize sila na why not engage into barter, no. For example, kini nga family na sila dako nga humayan pero wa pod sila babuyan, no. Sa pilka, sa silingan, babuyan ra pod nila, hawa sila humayan. So later on na-realize nila no nga, hala mag-barter na. So dito na nag-start, no, ang concept sa kanang barter. Then later on nagkaroon ng ano kanang mga money, no, money. And ginabaligya ng commodity, no. So at some point na-regulate ng prices because nanay mga competition, no, kay daghan nagmamaligya. So that is the concept of traditional economics sa una. So on the other hand, political economy goes beyond traditional economics to study, no. Among other things, the social and institutional processes through which certain groups of economic and political elites influence the allocation of scarce productive resources now and in the future. So I believe we already have discussed this, no, kining political economy last time. So nani sa PowerPoint. And last one is the development economics. So this is somehow has a even greater scope, no. So in addition to being concerned with efficient allocation of existing scarce productive resources and whether sustained growth over time, it also deal with the economic, social, political, and institutional mechanism, both public and private, necessary to bring about rapid and large-scale improvements in levels of living for the peoples of Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the formerly socialist transition economies. So EconDev is really a kanang broad nga topic of which we should consider both non-economic and economic factors, no, nga magtuyok sa isa ka nation. That's why it is really important for us to really know the concept of EconDev. Kaya at least, no, sooner or later kamo may mahimong managers, kamo may mahimong leaders, no, sa atong nation. So at some point, if we are knowledgeable with EconDev, our decisions is anchored on the theories, no, reflected in EconDev pod. Kaya by that, at least, if we make decisions, guided ta sa mga theories, existing theories. Okay, so what is development? So the term development may mean different things to different people, no. So thus, it is important that we have common core perspective on its meaning, no. So lahi-lahi ta og definition sa word nga development. So sa traditional view, development has traditionally meant as achieving sustained rates of growth of income per capita. So man atong ginaingon sa una, no, nga ang ilahang pag-perceive sa development is that kung na-achieve na to ang atong economic growth, no, by just looking at the figures coming from the GNI, GDP, GNP. So at some point, mo na sila nga, we already have achieved development, no? We are already a developed country. However, later on, nakarealize sila nga, though na-achieve, no, ang target nga increase sa growth, economic growth, pero nganong naamang gihapoy uban, no, nga naagihapoy mga absolute poverty, naka-experience of absolute poverty, nganong dili man diretso maka-access sa healthcare, no, sa nga gi-provide sa isa ka country and all. So one good example is that kung moadto sa America class, no, katong nagpuyo pa ko dito, charot lang. So kung moadto tag America, at some point ang ilahang ginareklamo dito is that dako jud ilahang tax, no, ilahang tax. Pero na atong mahuna-hunaan ba, kung dako ang tax, meaning what will happen to the government? Mas mudato si government, no? So meaning mapadulong kay government ang porta. Pero dapat gamiton og tarong. So nindot sa America is that ilang healthcare, no, nga for example kanang ma-hospital ka at some point murag dili kay ka mabugatan, no, because nasa a portion of their national income nga ginahatag jud dito sa healthcare nga sector pod, no. So inana pud ang depende pud sa isa ka nation, no, kung unsa ilang i-focus, no. Kay katna though dako ilang tax pero kung magsakit pud sila at some point dili pud sila maglisod, no, unlike diri sa ato as sa Philippines, no, though gamay ato ang tax tapos kung ma-hospital ta babayod jud, no, so gasto kayo mo hospital no, kanang diri sa Pilipinas hadlok kayo mo hospital because labaw nag grabe mo ang sakit tilapan na siguro na ato ang mga almost 1 million plus, no, kay para maayo lang mo gayong uban mamatay na lang because wala may ka-finance, no. So mo na itong gusto ma-achieve, no, sa EconDev nga at some point we can really provide, no, services, good services sa ato ang people, sa citizens, no. Because if mga wala pud tong mga tao, no, at some point maapektuhan ato ang productivity, no. Kaya ato ang gusto is katong mga able, katong mga makatabang sa isa ka nation dili to sila mawala, no, or mga matay. So dapat na yung healthcare, no, nga pwede mahatag. So later on sa ilahang view sa development, no, economic development is nag-change pod, no. So this is now the new economic view. So an increasing number of economists and policymakers clamored for more direct attacks on widespread absolute poverty, no. So meaning katong isang kahig, isang tuka jud, no, or even wala jud sila kuan, no, isa ka specific lugar kanang naa absolute poverty nga makita nimo, of which naapoy increasingly inequitable income distributions, no, nga katong dato samot ka dato ang pobre samot ka pobre, no, because ang there is inequitable income distribution, no. So and rising unemployment, no, paved way in redefining economic development in terms of the reduction or elimination of poverty, inequality, and unemployment within the context of a growing economy. Thus, redistribution from growth became a common slogan, no. So dapat if a certain country will really kanang mutaas, no, ang ilahang economic status, dapat pod ang pag-distribute pod sa income, no, is dapat equal pod, no, kanang murag magahinan pod tong mga nasa diri sa tuwa, no, mga uyamo tong pobre. So at some point mahatagan pod sila pagtagad, no. So good thing gani because we have this 4Ps, no. So at some point 4Ps is really good, no. This is a really good program. However, kita lagi Pinoy, no, as what I have said, because of our attitudes, dili gyapon maayo, no, napay uban niya moreklamo, no, kay gamay ra kay gihatag. So pasalamat na lang ta kay naay gihatag, no. And ang uban ipangbaligya ang ATM, ipang-print ang ATM. Kay tungod gisugal sa uban, no. Gisugal sa uban, amot giun sa ang kwarta pud sa uban. So kay kung tarong lang pud ta class, at some point we should be grateful na, no, for the help or initiatives sa government about ana. Kay dako na kay nang tabang oy, no, magdawat ka permente o ayuda, no, sa gobyerno, of which ang katong mga nanay kwarta di na pud maka-avail pud anang kuan for peace. Next is core values of development. So we also have discussed this already, the sustenance or the ability to meet basic needs, no. So mo ni atong gusto kanang murag core values na to sa development nga dapat tanang tao able, no, has the ability to really meet his or her basic needs, no, in life. So that is sustenance. Next is self-esteem, no. We will make all people kanang consider their selves, no, as a person. So meaning kung unsay dapat, no, kung unsay dapat ihatag, no, sa tao para pud sa tao, no. For example, kung mayantag tao ta dapat respetuhon ta, no, we can earn respect, no, and others. So at some point kung ma-boost na to atong self-esteem, so at some point murag makaenta nga kanang we are really a person, no, nga worthy nga irespeto, worthy nga makadawat kung unsay dapat dawaton, no, and others. Next is freedom from servitude or to be able to choose, no. So this is what Amartya Sen nga kanang mga gina-impose or gina-pinpoint ni Amartya Sen nga we can have this freedom no to really choose kung sa atong gusto, has the access no, has the capabilities to do this and to do that no. So mao pod ni ang isa sa core values no sa development. Next is objectives of development. So these are the objectives no, of development to increase the availability and widen the distribution of basic life, to raise level of living. No? I think na-discuss na po ni last time, to expand the range of economic and social choices available to individuals. Now let's talk about MDGs and SDGs. So I believe we already have seen no, the MDG or Millennium Development Goals. So the United Nations MDGs are 8 goals that all 191 UN member states have agreed to try to achieve by the year 2015. No? So nahuman ning MDG no, at some point last 2015. So later I'll be giving an assignment no sa inyo ha. You will make a research no with regards sa kung unsa na nahitabo no unsay development sa Philippines from the very beginning up to 2015 no katong pag-create sa MDG unsa man ang report no kanang you will try to research no or scan kung kinsa ang murag dako-dako og achievement no or accomplishment sa kini nga MDA goals no sa Millennium Development Goals. So the UN Millennium Declaration signed in September 2000 commits world leaders to combat poverty, hunger, and the like. So MDGs are derived from this declaration and all have specific targets and indicators. So last 2000 pa ni na create no ang MDG. So katong i-eradicate ang extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, and all no. So yet, the job is unfinished for millions of people. We need to go to the last mile on ending hunger, achieving full gender equality, improving health services, and getting every child into school. Now, we must shift to the world onto a sustainable path. No? So, if we already have achieved this, no, kining MDGs, at some point, dapat naanatay kanang i-maintain na nato ang sustainable development. No? So now let's have the SDGs, no? Or the SDGs replaced the MDGs, no? Which started a global effort in 2000 to tackle the indignity of poverty. So wala na ning MDG karon. It was being modified and replaced by Sustainable Development Goals, no? So the legacy and achievements of the MDGs provide us with valuable lessons and experience to begin work on the new goals. But for millions of people around the world, the job remains unfinished. No? So the SDGs are also an urgent call to shift the world onto a more sustainable path. No? So the Sustainable Development Goals are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. No? So kining SDGs, no? As what I have said, sa una manggod, murag nakalimot sila, they are really consumed by the concept of development, no? Ilahang gusto is dapat ma-achieve ni nato or kana because we really want to be a developed country. Pero sa development, naadjud na mga maapektuhan, no? Mura gud na kanang kung natay goal or natay plano class na dapat natay buhian, no? Natay dapat i-sacrifice to really achieve that specific goal. So kato sa una they have seen nga murag in the development process kanang murag ang environment, no? There are effects, no, nga mahatag sa environment in reaching the state of being a developed country. So that's why murag na shift, no, from MDGs na himo ng Sustainable Development Goals, no, because we really want to achieve development pero dapat sustainable pod, no, sustainable development. Okay. So this is now the SDG, no? So the goals interconnect, and in order to leave no one behind, it is important that we achieve each goal and target by 2030. 30. So mahuman ni siya nga blueprint, no, or plan or murag roadmap by the year 2030, no. So i-assess na pud ni by the year 2030 kinsa mga countries ang naka-achieve ani, no, dako og achievement sa kining side, kining goal and the like, no. So ang gusto or ang murag tagline, no, sa SDG is that we leave no one behind, no. So this is now the sustainable development goals, no. So number 1 is no poverty, no. 2 is zero hunger. So meaning dapat tanan makakaon, no. If gusto mo kaon, makakaon, walay magutom, no. Good health and well-being, no. So meaning we already have access, no, sa kanang healthcare, no. So good thing karon because libre na, no. Kanang katong di ba may move nga bis katong sa mga poor kanang puntahan mo hospital at some point zero billing. So hopefully ma-sustain po na siya nga program, no. Pero dapat dito jud ka sa kuan pod government, no, hospitals, pero usually sa government hospitals daghan po jud kay tao, no. So depende, no, kung naay ka-afford, ang uban magpa-private, pero ang uban kung walay ka-afford mag-maintain jud ta, no, kung unsa ra ang naa. Then quality education, no. So there are really changes with the educational system, no, here in the Philippines. So good thing because nadungag ang K-12, no, senior high school. Pero kamo I believe naka-experience mo sa senior high, no. Kuan lang, ang akong concern lang sa senior high, no, dapat magsabot jud si DepEd ug si CHED, no, sa alignment sa mga kuan courses, no, or mga subjects kay para dili masak, no, dili kayo mabugatan ang bata. Then gender equality. So there are already countries, no, nga grabe ang ilahang adaptation or even mga movement, no, kay para sa gender equality. Ang ato ra man diri is that sa una murag sakit paminawon, no, nga dili pwede mahimong leader ang babae, no. So karon at least nanatay movement po diri sa Philippines nga dapat kanang anyone can run for a position, no. So dili na kay nato issue nga ang babae kay dili makabuhat ani or ana, no. So dapat equal, no, equal ta tanan. Then clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, no. So here murag kuan pud ta diri, kusog ta diri, no, because of the program of PRRD, no, nga build. No? Then reduced inequalities, no. So kung kinsa tong nanginahanglan, no, we should provide, no, kung kinsa tong kanang need tabanganan pod. Then sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate change or climate action. Sa amoa, no, sa Kapalong, there are ordinance nga dili na mi mo gamit og cellophane, no, kanang single use plastic, no. And even in Davao City bawal na, no, kanang pag moadto mi sa USEP sa una uting kayo ang bag, no. So tanawon kung naabay mga single use plastic, so kung naa ipalabay or ipabilin sa gate, no. Pero mawala gid gyapon ang concept kay pag uli nimo pwede man nimo hapiton nga asa to akong kuan diri, ma'am, no. So pero at least, no, natay mga movement nga dili na mag-cellophane, no, maggamit nag mga eco bags and other nga mga containers kay para dili ta mogamit ng mga single use plastic. Then life below water, so marine po dapat okay po atong marine life, no. Then life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions. So appeal diri, no, kay bisan pag unsa ta ka progressive if nagkagubot atong country, no. So wala gihapon, no. So luoy gani, no, Myanmar karon, of which they have their mga commotions, no, with regards sa ilang government, dagag nga matay, no. So at some point dapat dili ta gusto maabot og inana, no. And last one is the partnerships for the goals. So this is now the SDG, no. So later I'll be sending an assignment, no, for you to research lang, no. Send lang ako sa messenger. That's for big picture A, YULO A, no. So any questions so far, class?